again, my friends. We almost missed this one. So busy getting ready for the Iron Rodeo this last weekend. We just shot another White 44 recently. I thought we had shot this, and I was like, oh, we haven't. So here we are, at the very last minute. All the ceramic coatings have been done. Everything's all wrapped in plastic, and I told the transporter, hold on just a minute so I could share it with you. And it's a really cool one. It is an Icon FJ44 built in the new school style. It is number 181, and it started out as the Beat to Hell 1971 FJ40 that a lot of people would have thought was at the end of its usable life, but we're able to upcycle it into this fine ride. So, quartz white looks so good, especially with the black forged aluminum new school wheels and all the black trim, bumpers, rack, and all that goodness. This truck has pretty much all of the best options. It's got the map pockets on the inside of the doors. We did a custom brushed black charcoaly leather interior paired with the Hargarten black square weave rugs. And you may notice behind me, the second row is a bit unique. We've done it a few times, but you don't see it too often. So it's a custom build, 3-passenger seat. And then behind that, you will find the fold-up jump seats. So brings your seating capacity up to 7. The front seats have the carbon fiber heaters built within them, and for easy access to the third row, since the pass-through walkway is gone by not doing buckets in the second row, we did the 2-piece tailgate option. And then to further aid ingress, we did the Amp Research custom powered step for the rear doors. We're also running the lit Amp Research steps on the 4 main doors. Our fully insulated 7-ply proprietary soft top on a volcanic black powder coated frame. Removable roof rack and ladder. Of course, the usual beloved new school front bumper with integrated branded Icon LED lights and a nice high capacity Warren winch. That winch option comes with the full recovery gear kit, which we recently upgraded to include a really well made like utility bag. It's based on emergency department fire police bag made by our friends in Montana at Red Ox. And we just customized it a little bit to fit all of our bits, and it's quite nice. Let's see, what else can I tell you? It's got the higher end elevated audio, so that's the Focal K2 series speakers with separates, amp and bass, and then we've got the sat radio, the CarPlay tetherless situation, great nav system, and reverse camera. Manual transmission. I think all my whining on my recent videos about everyone ordering automatics is getting some people step it up to old school and do the manual. It's just so much more engaging to drive. Like, it just is just what it is. Nice hydraulic clutch too, not heavy. It's the AX15 by Ace and Warner. It was a US-Japan collaboration. Very stout but lightweight tranny. Atlas 2 twin-stick shift-on-the-fly 2-speed part-time 4-wheel drive transfer case. And all of that is receiving copious amounts of power from the LS3. So that's a 6.2 liter. We modified from the standard GM config with our own Fiat or front engine accessory drive. Same with the injectors and intake we take from the truck series. So we're able to remap the fuel curve to be more appropriate for a truck. Did you guys see that Model A pickup? All right, that was cool. The new school mirrors, of course, are airplane sun visors that are super popular. The powder-coated stainless steel center console with interior and rear floor LEDs. Very, very nice. Musical dash, standard straightforward, machined pedals, fire extinguisher, our lovely dash clock. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Here, I'll pull over under my favorite oak tree and I'll walk you around the outside a little bit more and we'll get into the fun of the subplot. I think that's pretty much it. I think you get the gist of this here icon. So let's just wrap it up with two small subplots. You probably know, but if you don't, I hope you would find out and you would support. We have two new brands. We have J Ward Collection, which is born out of my leather crafting skills, and we just launched a line of wallets, bags, and flasks is like the core collection. 5 colorways. This particular one is called the crossbody because, well, simply that's what it can do. And it is computer friendly size, especially the new growing size computers. It's all Lo Stivale Italian vegetable tan leather. It's all solid brass hardware, nice sturdy feet on the bottom, removable secure pouch on the inside. 5 colorways, jwardcollection.com, same for Facebook and for Instagram. And then you probably are a bit more familiar with my venture into apparel design, which is, this is a really good example. So this is actually a 1930 dated Pemberton blanket. Similar era, buffalo, silver, domed nickel hardware. Just bits of American history, and they're a lot more useful on your body than they are in Grandpa's closet. So I make 5 different cuts of jackets and vests, and please check that out as well. So it's campfirecoats.com or Instagram and Facebook, Campfire Coats. And it's like starting brands from scratch is such a challenge. I'm so spoiled by the relative success of icons. Man, it's hard. I got like no followers. Give me a follow. Spread the word, please. Thanks. Have a good week. Love y'all. Be kind to the planet, kind to each other, and we'll see you soon.